Let's get started. First, you need to install this Chrome extension on your browser. It allows you to quickly generate transcripts and summarize YouTube videos. Once you install it, you should see a transcript and summary box on the right side of the video. Click this icon. It will open ChatGPT automatically with the transcript pasted and the summary in progress. ChatGPT will generate a summary based on the video transcript. You can also customize the summary to your requirements, like summarizing the video in bullet points. This is how you can summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.